Okay, so next up is baby shark. You heard me say it. It is always requested in our classes. So let's learn it. So the sign for shark is, you know, like their little fin, shark. We may not sign it every time. We may focus more on the family signs. But anyway, so there it is if you want it. If you want to add a little level 2 in. Shark. Baby. Then it's mommy shark. And then it's daddy shark. And then it's grandma shark. Okay, so it's like one extra generation away. Grandpa, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Easy. Okay, so then they say, let's go hunt. We're going to say, let's go play. Okay, we're going to cover that up. Then safe at last. It's the letter S's, if that helps you remember. Safe. It's like you're breaking out of something. Safe at last. And it's the end. Do. All right, so let's try that. It's a fun one. Here we go. So play is what we're using for up by your forehead.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark.
Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark.
Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end.
Very good. So sorry, run. I forgot to show us that one at the beginning. Run. So it's just like one hand kind of hooks onto the thumb. Run. Okay, run away. They say that right before the safe at last. This is my little dog Ruby. Don't think she likes my singing. Sorry, my singing. My dog. Call my dog. Shark. Family signs. Ooh, you got to learn a lot in that. You got to learn a lot of signs in that. Good job, everybody. Yay! See you in the next video.